Alright, here are some signals at the Northern Ontario Railway Museum. This one. It's pretty unique. It has a GRS splice box, or whatever it's called. And yeah, it has a circle crossbuck and a WRS mechanical bell. Here's a semaphore. And yeah, here's another signal. It has a unique looking base, a US&S splice box, as mentioned. Here's the wigwag. And yeah, it has a US&S teardrop bell. Yep, first time seeing one. Yeah. Is there any way to activate them? That's my question. Nope. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Yeah.
This is an old signal box here, right?